This is a 2007 Lexus ES 350 with 51,000 miles. Absolutely in wonderful condition for its age. You will not find a door ding in this car. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. A burgundy metallic. Hard to see it in video, but you can get it. Alloy wheels. Good set of tires. Like I said, in absolutely wonderful condition. 51,000 miles. Tan leather interior is in remarkable condition. Power seats, original floor mats, original keys, push button start. 51,000 miles. Carfax report, no accidents. Both sets of keys. Push button start. So, 2007 Lexus ES 350, 51,000 miles, gorgeous car, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically.